Boom, what going guys? You already know the vibes. Today is our next adventure and we're outside today at Jamaica Swamp Safari. Yeah man, this place is one of the first attraction here in Falmouth and right now it's temporarily closed because of the Hurricane Melissa. But right now we're just gonna do a quick walk by showing you guys, you know, what's the condition like and what's looking forward for the future for this place. All right, guys, so here is the entrance. So normally when you come, this will be the entrance. You sign up to go in. Nice little design on the wall right there. Chilling area. Is that? Chilling area, the gazebo, you know. But they want drinks, food, them always can come and sit and eat. Yeah, man, we're gonna go inside right now and show you now how beautiful this place is and what they still have available or what is left after the storm. Yeah, man. So we have some ducks over there. I don't know if you can see them. Let me try. Yeah, can't get it over there, boy. You have some ducks over there, some chickens. You understand? This place used to have thousands of animals. You understand? This place used to have turtles, crocodiles. Here's a peacock right there. Yeah, man. There's a peacock right there. And I guess somebody is at the front to watch and to make sure everything is good. All the animals that's still here, you know, they try to preserve them and keep them as best as possible. As I said, this place is run down. I hope I don't buck up on any snake seat there. Jamaica, Jamaican boa. Yeah, man, the yellow snake. Man, I've seen a couple of these already from time to time, like, traveling in the wilderness. Ooh, don't know if you guys saw that. But I guess I scared him. But yeah, man, I've seen some of the snakes from time to time, the yellow snakes. Look at what we have here. We have an iguana, guys. This, ooh, you see that? That's an iguana, guys. I hope you guys can see it good. Yeah, man. See old dragon there, man. That is it. So you see, we still have some animals still well kept. You understand? This is noni. For those who don't know noni, yeah, man, that is noni. Good for the blood. Purge out the blood and them thing there. So we're gonna walk through and see what else is here. Ooh, we have a pig. That was a pig. I don't know what exactly is that. I guess it's some type of ducks. Ooh, look at the pigs coming. The swearest food in a man. That is it. Hey, little piggy. Yeah, man. So I guess them have some local pigs. Boar. Boar. Oh, yeah, these are boar. A boar them name? I should think of boar them name in the pig. Boar pig or boar pig. I don't know. Them if you can look, them have a thing at the side of them mouth. Hey, I'm behaving myself. Have a thing at the side of them mouth. Like them teeth stick out. I think you can't see it that much still. But yeah, man, the pigs them there go and chill. We have a lot of ducks. See the ducks flying. A lot of ducks over here, guys. Yeah, man, peacock looking so wonderful up there. At this point, I hear grung, my friend. Yeah, man, it's year grung, man. Yeah, man, and we're just gonna go through. I really hope this place. What is that? Go, man. I hope this place really get to fix up. Really and truly, I hope this place really get to fix up. So this place right here is very iconic, guys. I don't know if you know about it and the history about Jamaica Swamp Safari, but here is where James Bond actually came and shoot one of his movie. And now I don't remember the name of the movie, but I'm going to try to put it at least right here. So you can see the name. Yeah, man. James Bond actually came here in Falmouth, guys, and shot a movie. And here at Jamaica Swamp Safari. Right, guys, I was looking to show you the big boy, you know, man. The big boy gone. Yeah, man. So this is where the crocodiles sleep and stay. Yeah, man. A lot of people don't even know that we have here in Falmouth. We have a lot of crocodiles. We have a lot of swamp areas. So I don't know if you can see the bubbles, but Bubbles is right there. Literally just missed him. He was literally right there in the water, looking out. You understand? But we're gonna circle back and see if we see him. Yeah, man. Gonna circle back and see if we see him. Nice, beautiful peacock. Hey, peacock. Yeah, man. So we're gonna see what else we can see over here. Like, we're not gonna see the crocodiles today, guys. Like, literally, he was just right there. He was literally just right there. I go move and see if him ever come back. But yeah, man, a lot of people not even know say we have crocodiles over here, man. Yeah, man, guys. Them say don't disturb the beast when he's sleeping. That is a monster, a real living life monster right there, guys. Yeah, man, good old crocodile, you know, the old natives crocodile. Yeah, man, see him chilling. This is actually a baby one, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Baby this. Cause them definitely do get bigger than this by far. I'm sure the one that I saw over there was a very big one. But yeah, man, guys, this is it right here. The Jamaican crocodile. Big, you know, man. Yeah, look on him head, him just looks scary. Look on him eyes. A real old dragon. Yeah, man. Crocodile, guys, me actually get to see one. Even though it's a baby one, but at least I get to see something. Let's see if anything is over here. No, I just hope them put up all of them crocodile properly, you know, cause me go come over here so me I do video for you guys and go get bitten. No, so I'm not depend that. And there he is. Let's see if I can see him there looking at me, guys. Yeah, man, him smell meal, you know? Him smell him meal. You see him? Just chilling like a villain. Yeah, man, it's a vibes, man. I say there's a lot of them over here, guys. You would even understand. See my come, see my come, see my come. You see him? See my come, guys. You see my come. You see my come, guys. See my come. You see old bad boy I come. Yeah, man, forward, man. Forward, me G. Forward, let me see you properly, man. Yeah, man. Forward, man. Come. Like, our next one is over there, you know, guys, because see the bubbles. I don't know if you can see it, but the ripples. Yeah, man, something definitely, something else over there. But look at this bad boy. Come. I want him come close so you guys can see the lens size of him. But him cooling right now. But yeah, man, crocodile people. Yeah, man, him gone now. Right now, I have to watch it ground, you know, man, car. Me don't want none if you come take him time. Oh, see him a sneak up there. Watch him. You see him? See him, guys? You see him? See him there? See him there? Yeah, man. Okay, da. Watch the monster. Watch the monster. Okay, that. Guys, you see that? Don't mess with him, you know, man. A hungry crocodile, that, you know, man. Hungry and a hungry crocodile, that, you know, man. Look how him big. People, look at that. Big, massive. Watch him a move. Watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him, people. Watch him, people. Oh gosh, he's so big. Oh my God, this is the first I'm actually being this close to one of these creatures. Never in my life I've been this close to a crocodile before. And this is awesome. Like, look at that. Look how big he is, guys. Oh my God, look at his eyes. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. Me and the big boy chilling, you know? Yeah, man, crocodile. What going, my boss? Everything good? You're chilling, eh? I'm coming big. No, sir. Yo, this place need to open up, fam. Look at that. That's the thumbnail right there. Yeah, man, that's definitely a big boy. No one aggravate him at all. Watch him a turn around and look for me. Hmm? Watch him a turn around and look at me. Yeah, man, this place needs to be open up ASAP. Yeah, man, the government, whoever is in control of this beautiful place, yeah, man, it needs renovation. Look how much hotels we have, a lot of hotels in this area, and new hotels building up as well too, you know. So this place is definitely a hidden gem of Falmouth, and it has so many history, so many history. James Bond came here and shot a movie. Like, how cool is that? Yeah, man, preserve it, man. But we got some mud crabs. Don't know if you can see, but I literally just saw a mud crab here. So this is the crocodile sunbathing. This is what we call a crocodile sunbathing. See him? Yeah, man. All of these places damaged, destroyed. Yeah, man, this place really need to get back on its feet ASAP. You can just imagine how much birds and animals that used to be in these areas. But I guess it's a part of life. But definitely, this place definitely need fixing up. Yeah, guys, so reporting from Jamaica and Swamp Safari. Yeah, man, like, share, and subscribe if you want more videos like this. I can definitely venture out and do a lot more traveling and exploring Falmouth and Jamaica. Big up on yourself. So I'm gonna drop drone footage of the place, of the area. You understand? Showing you the swamp behind all of this area right here. Yeah, man. So stay tuned for the drone videos. Like, share, and subscribe.